No, or is it that way?
Wait.
Oh, no.
No.
I'm gonna eat your flesh.
Oh. Like, this wasn't here yesterday, or was it?
That murky part looks...
We're gonna have to go Donner Party and start eating people. Ryan's volunteered his salty flesh.
Okay. I think we should...
Going crazy.
This is right on a normal day. Don't pay attention to it.
Lost my shoes. We'll have to eat my feet soon before they... We'll have to eat my feet soon before they get frozen too badly. If you lick some moss, you should be able to find out which way's north. Go lick a tree.
I think Brian wants to. He has a more...
Refuge in those trash cans for this.
Oh my God!
We're lost! Guys, we don't know! Freezing my gonads off. Salvation is ours. Wait, come back! Come back! Park. Maybe we can find some tasty hobos to eat, so we won't starve to death.
What's on the tree?
It's a sloth. I don't know. I think we should part ways. You guys go that way, and we'll go this way. We'll try and find a nice moose to eat. It's nice knowing you. Bye, Megan. Bye. I see you. I love you. You're always my favorite, Allred. It's just you and me now.
Yeah. Brian died off a bit that way. That's kind of messy.
Eric got the crotch rod, which is good, you know, less
Yeah, I
suffering.
don't want him to be in too much pain. More than he was.
You go that way. Look for the Megans. I'll go this way. Ooh, dinner! It's a little cat we can eat.
Oh, I don't know. I think the fur is making it look bigger than it.
Ooh.